Alright, what's up YouTube? So today I'm going to be doing a little bit of work on the Jetta, but when I lowered it in the winter, I bottomed out the back, so the bottom's as low as I can make it, but the front, as you can see, is just about even with the tire. Not even quite. So I want that to be a little lower. So I'm going to drop the front down. Alright, got all the bolts loosened, and now I need to jack up the car and take them off. Alright, gonna pop these off now. Alright, I got both the tires off. Tires and wheels off. And I'm gonna drop these things down a little. These are actually holding up really well. These are the hot tuning ones. I got them on eBay for $240 for the full set of coils. Cheaper than Racelands, and I think they're better too. Oh, shoot. Alright, so I got that to 14 there, now I just gotta tighten it up. That's that. I'm gonna go to the other side. Alright, got both sides down to 14 threads. Finished my oil change. So now all I gotta do is just throw these tires back on shields. Well, I was hoping to go a little lower, but I don't think I really can get much lower without notching the frame, so. Alright, so that's going to be pretty much it for this week. I got some new tires that I should be mounting on the Bug. I'll have more videos up soon. Thanks for watching.